So right now I'm going to show you how to understand the Binance Smart Chain network, which is a BSC, and also in general how to be able to transfer tokens from one wallet to another, or from exchange to wallet. And it doesn't matter on what network, as long as the exchange supports that network, and also the wallets at which you are sending to or sending from. Okay, so example now, I'm in my Binance account. As you can see, I'm on the wallet. All right, so this is like the wallet overview. How did I get here? I just simply click on wallet here, and then you're gonna have this page come out, okay, on the overview. So at the moment I want to send some ADA from my SafePal wallet to this Binance account. Okay, so I'm going to click on deposit. Okay, so I'll click on deposit, and then here you'll be able to search. Okay, and make sure it's on crypto. Okay, we're not depositing fiat, right? So crypto, and then I'm just going to use the search bar. I can see ADA here. I can also see it on the history, but I'm just going to use the search bar and search for ADA, and I click on it. All right, now these are the available networks. All right, so this is the first one, is a native Cardano network. Okay, and so this is the wallet address. Okay, if I need this, I'll just click on this little icon here to copy it. And next we'll have the BEP2, okay, which is the one of the Binance network as well. So but using this now, you need a memo. Okay, a memo will be provided as well if you are sending to here, or you're sending out. Okay, it will require a memo. So I just click on OK. So you can see that it has an address and a memo. You understand? So on the wallets you'll be sending to or sending from, you're going to require the address and the memo. All right, then here we'll have the Binance Smart Chain network as well. So this one requires only the address. All right, so what we're going to be using is this. All right, the BEP20 BSC. All right, so I'm going to be sending to this wallet address, so I will just copy this. Okay, and I'll go to my SafePal wallet, where I'll be sending from. Okay, so as you can see, I have some ADA here. Sorry, I have some ADA here. All right, and you can see it's on the Binance Smart Chain network. You see that BEP2 there. You get just to make you understand properly, I'm just going to come here and click on this plus sign here, the plus sign, and click on it, and then I'm going to search, okay, for ADA. All right, so as you can see, this is the BEP2, okay, which will require the address and the memo, and this is what the BEP20 as well. All right, this wallet doesn't have the native Cardano chain, okay, but like in Trust Wallet, I think you can find it there. All right, so that's one will require you to just use the native wallet address. All right, so in my wallet I have this already enabled. All right, because I already sent some token here on this network. All right, so that's how you, if it's not enabled or you haven't used it before, you just need to add it, okay, if that wallet supports it. Okay, wallets like SafePal and Trust Wallet supports this as well. All right, so I'm going to go back. So this applies to Bitcoin and all of that. You can see this is the normal BTC network. Okay, and this is BTC BEP20. You can see Ethereum BEP20 like that. All right, Litecoin as well. All right, Litecoin BEP20 as well. All right, this helps you save money on gas fees, because as we all know, it's expensive now, transferring between exchange or wallet, using the Ethereum network, you understand. So Binance provides us with this option, okay, to be able to transfer with as low as with a very low gas fee. All right, so now I've copied my wallet address, so I make sure this is on BEP20, okay, and I copy the wallet address here by clicking on this. I'm just going to go back. All right, so I'm sending all of this ADA. I'm going to click on it, and then I'm clicking on send, and then I'm going to paste the wallet address here. Okay, amount, I'm going to click on max because I'm sending everything, and then I'm going to click on next. Okay, and now it's going to give me the summary. You can see where I'm sending from and where I'm sending to, the total amount. You can see the network fee. Okay, see 0.1, you understand, it's just about 1 cent. All right, you see how low, very low it is. On the Ethereum network, it's going to be more. All right, so you can also increase this by choosing fast, okay, but recommended is okay as well. And I'm going to click on next. All right, and click on next, and then I'm just going to confirm this, okay, and then transfer completed. All right, so as you can see, it's pending here. When I click on this transaction, you can see, and then in a very short time I should receive it in my wallet. All right, so I'm also going to transfer the same thing I'm going to do to this Litecoin here. So same way, just go back, and once it's in Binance, you can trade it you can just trade and change to whatever token you want, maybe like ADA to BTC or USDT, however you want. All right, so I'm going to repeat the same process, but I'm going to use another method now. So instead of clicking on deposit, I can just come to spot here, click on spot, and just search here. All right, and I'll search for LTC because I want to send Litecoin here, so I'm using LTC. All right, click on it. So pretty much the same thing. I click on deposit. Okay, you can see I'm just going to click OK here. You can see this is a native Litecoin network. It's BEP2, BEP20. Okay, so I'm just going to select this, the normal Litecoin address, and copy, and so I go back, and then I have my Litecoin here on the normal chain, and I'm gonna click on send, and then I just paste in the wallet address and click on max. Okay, and then Litecoin is I love it because it has a very, very cheap gas fee. All right, and then next, send. I'm gonna put in password and confirm, and then boom, it's gone. All right, so I'm just gonna wait for it to show up in Binance. All right, so but when you're using the Binance Smart Chain, you want to take note that, look, you need to have some BNB on this address here. Okay, this is the Binance Smart Chain network. Okay, so the transaction fees are going to be deducted from here. Okay, it's not going to be deducted from here. This is also BNB, but this is a native one. All right, but the Binance Smart Chain, the fees are going to be deducted from here. All right, so how do you send some BNB here? It's the same way. All right, you just click on receive. Okay, you copy the wallet address. Okay, you go, let's say you are sending from Binance as well. You just come here, you have some BNB already, search. Okay, BNB. Okay, you can see that I have some $3 BNB here. Okay, and then I'm going to click on withdraw instead. Okay, you paste the address. All right, and you can see that it has detected it as word here. That is what's Binance matching. You understand? So when I click here, you're gonna see BEP2 as well. Okay, but this is the chain that I'm using. All right, and then the maximum. Okay, but this is not going to work because for me to send BNB out, I will need to send at least a minimum of 0.2 BNB. All right, which I don't have at the moment, but the same way. All right, and then click on the withdraw button and then confirm it, and then you're gonna have it down to your wallet here. Okay, so whatever transaction you're running on the Binance Smart Chain, maybe also on PancakeSwap. Okay, go to tab here on PancakeSwap. Okay, if you're swapping between tokens or the any other BSC decentralized application that you'll be using here, the fees are going to be paid in BNB. Okay, but that BNB must be on this network here. All right, so take note. So the same thing applies to if you use let's say Trust Wallet example. Okay, let's see a Trust Wallet. The same thing applies here. All right, you can see that I have the Binance match in here as well. Okay, then I have you can see that I have this Polkadot. Okay, but this is a Binance matching network, Binance peg Polkadot. I have Chainlink. Okay, the peg one. All right, so the same thing applies. When I come here, to add them, I click here and then I just search for, let's say, link. Okay, it's gonna give me, okay, you can see this is the native chain link. Okay, ERC20 built on the Ethereum network. All right, and this is the first one here is the one that I enabled, which is BEP20. Okay, so if I want to enable this as well, I can do this. I can enable it and it's going to show up as well. All right, so I scroll down, you see I have this chain link here, but it's on ERC20. Understand why the one here pegged to Binance Smart Chain, this is it. You understand? Like this. You understand? So that's how it is. Let's look for let's search for a link as well. Let's see okay, there is no, okay, yes, I think there's BEP2. This is link BEP2. Okay, the other Binance matching Binance network. So I'll activate this one. All right, so just to show you something, and you see they all have the same prices. You understand? They all have the same prices. I'm going to click on this BEP2. Okay, so let's say I want to deposit. Okay, I'm going to click on receive. All right, okay, so but on this one it's telling me now that no memo required. Okay, so all I need for here is just to send with this wallet address. Okay, but sometimes you need a memo. You understand? But the memo will be provided for you. You just need to copy it and paste it in the respective role. Okay, and then that's about it. So it's very easy to understand. It doesn't matter where you're sending from exchange to an exchange, as long as it supports that network. Let me say KuCoin. Okay, KuCoin exchange. Okay, go to assets, click on deposits. Let me say I want to deposit Bitcoin. I'm gonna see, you can see this is a BTC main network. It supports this BTC circuit, and then there is BTC on the TRC network as well, which is the Tron network. You understand? So it depends on the exchange. So if I have example BTC on my Tron wallet, let me go to Tron link. I have a Tron link wallet here. Okay, I have Tron link wallet here. I'm gonna add, I'll click here to add, let's say BTC. You can see that I have BTC, and you can see TRC20 here. Okay, I'm going to click on the plus sign to add it. Okay, okay, it has been added, and I go back to the I will go back to the home page. You can see that BTC has been added here. So if I'm sending Bitcoin here on the Tron network, okay, I'll have to send it on the Tron network. Okay, but it's still the same Bitcoin, you understand? So I'm just going to click here, and then I click on receive. Okay, I'll copy the wallet address. I'll go back to the exchange. Let's say I want to withdraw my Bitcoin, okay, to my Tron link. So what I'm going to use is this network now as well. You understand? I'm just going to click there. Okay, yeah, I'm on the deposit page. Okay, let's go back and say I want to withdraw to BTC. All right, so I'm just gonna use this. Okay, and see, I'm gonna paste the wallet address here, and that's it, and send whatever I want to send. You get, but at the moment this is not even available at the moment. But that's how it works basically. It doesn't matter the wallet you're sending from, maybe Clever Wallet to Tronlink, or Clever Wallet to Binance Smart Chain, you know, or KuCoin to SafePal. It doesn't matter. Get. So I hope you understand. My back to Binance here, back to wallet overview. It's gonna refresh this. You can see that I already have my. You can see the balance has changed. So click on spot, and then I'm just gonna clear this search bar here. You can see that I now have my Litecoin here, which I sent, and also the ADA that I sent initially. You get. So when I go back to my SafePal wallet, you can see that when I refresh this, they've all gone. You get, so the balance is this, and we don't have them anymore. All right. LTC, no ADA. Okay. So that's pretty much it. And then thank you for. I hope you understand. If you have any further questions, you can leave a comment below. And if you like to love to know how to trade cryptocurrencies, okay, I recommend Crypto University to you, and then you're going to find a link below this video on how to register on the Crypto University website, which is the best educational platform when it comes to cryptocurrencies. All right, and you're going to learn, see how to register on the site, and then just navigate through it, and then whenever you feel satisfied, you can take the paid courses as well. All right, so take care.